Let's go, bro. Let's go. We're not going to the hospital. Let's go. Out of the bus.
That's totally fine. Documentation like this, man.
Okay.
My fucking car.
Okay, let's go talk about it over here, man.
Okay.
Tell me what happened exactly.
That's why I'm in the car. Hey, back up. Get out of my face. I don't want you to search my car. Go over here. Put your hands behind your back right now. What? Do not pull away. Do you understand me? What? Really?
Lay down.
Chill out, dude.
What are you doing?
Bring it over here.
Okay.
What the fuck? What are you doing? Stepping to me, huh? What the fuck is in my face? Don't think so, dude. Oh, what am I? What the fuck?
What are you stopping the cops for, man?
I did not ask you to get out of my car.
No, I watched you. I got you on my video camera.
I asked you to get out of my car. That's it.
You're being an asshole to everybody.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Search over here. Oh. Brother. Ow. This man just hit my car. You know what I mean? What just happened? You got an ankle monitor too, huh? What?
On probation. I'm sure
I'm not on
the
probation.
probation officer's going to love that.
I'm not on probation at all. So, yeah.
Double lock these.
What am I going to jail for? What am I accused for?
We'll let you know here in a few, okay?
What am I accused of doing? What?
You starting your car?
My car just got
Which
hit
one's
and
mine?
y'all arrested.
Let's go to my car. Come on.
No. What? The fuck? All I asked was you to get out of my car after this man hit my car.
My face.
Sir, I asked you to get out of my
See if
car.
you're intoxicated. It smells like weed in there.
I'm not intoxicated at all.
Go ahead and have a seat in there.
Go for it. Please go for it.
Okay, have a seat.
Y'all are illegally searching my car.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Put your feet up.
ID, bro.
Push yourself all the way back.
Oh, shit. Holy fuck.
733 Baker Car 1 today. 1726.
Hey, Tom! Tom! You got his ID?